This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kari Ross. Charming updated townhome centrally located minutes from bases, beaches, shopping and dining. Enjoy relaxing or entertaining in this spacious open floor plan featuring new LVP flooring and carpet, stainless steel appliances, newer hot water heater, attic insulation, and fresh paint throughout. This gym has a privacy fenced-in backyard area with patio and outdoor storage shed. Enjoy the community swimming pool, playgrounds, tennis courts, and walking paths around the beautiful lake. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.